Halo kublai ki parlok baro saisin pad hakni ka video ngan mun abing API ya ka khubor lai kam lene ka employment news te sngwa ban snap bat pe ya ka video na du ka basdang hadu ban kut ba phintip ka ka kam but agi qualification lene ka tulok ka salary katno te ngakarpat ya ki viewers khamta me ki badang thmai ha ka video but kumjuru ya ka channel ke jonga subha wanum klet ban you share but kumjuru ban ya like but kamta me banum ya klet yaitu subscribe button ban ya nyon khnang ba phinang yo shushu ya ki updates lane ki information hakbe dei bat ki khobor lai kam te nagliang jonga kumu Silva official lane unong ra ya ka employment news ngan pule pi haga ktin english but kumjuru haga ktin khasi te nakabenta gitu ki candidates ki bade lane ki parlok ki bomde ki khasi I would like to read in English so that you are all understand. So this is an announcement regarding the employment news. ITBP Recruitment 2024, that is for the posts of SI, Constable and Head Constable. Total number of posts, 526 posts. So here I read the notification. ITBP Recruitment 2024. The Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force invites application for the post of Sub-Inspector, Head Constable and Constable in the field of telecommunication. The last date for submission of application is 14th of December 2024. And the number of posts, we have 526 posts. So these are the name of the posts. Number 1 post name, Sub-Inspector Telecommunication. Number of posts, 92 posts. Male is 78, unreserved 31, scheduled caste 12, scheduled tribe 6, OBC 21, EWS 8. And for the female candidate, 14 total number of posts, unreserved 6, scheduled caste 2, scheduled tribe 1, OBC 4, EWS 1. And for the age limit, between 20 to 25 years, upper age relaxation as per rules, that is for ST, 5 years of relaxation. Salary pay scale, rupees 35,400 to 1 lakh and 12,400. Tinakabenta ki parlok ki badai ki basa hapo khasi jointia ki ban snap ya gani ka video kumjuru khamtam ya ki new viewers te kene kade ka khubor lai kam hagabana kaliang jong ka Indo-Tibetan Borders Police Force ka khot online application hagabanta ka post sub-inspector, head constable, but constable hakini ki field kata ka badai jong ki telecommunication class date ban apply nagabanta kita ka post beper kan dei hadu khat sau trik benai ba khat arjar sau but hangningan pule pi ka kerteng jung post ka bankong hangnai ka dei nagam ta ka post sub inspector telecommunication ka total number of post hangnai ka don hadu khandai po nagam ta ki males candidate ka dei 78 lane nyo phupra kata ka bomon on reserve ka don lai phui tri ki post schedule caste khatar schedule tribe Nrew OBC Arpui but EWS Pra ta ki kan thei bade ka don khat sautli ki post unreserved Nrewtli schedule caste R schedule tribe Uwe OBC Sau but EWS kawi ki post but ka age nagamta ban apply ki post kan dei na du karta ka ba arpho du arpsan snem but ka apa age relaxation ka dei kat kum ka rules lane ka norms kabadai kat kum kita ki kategori kata ka bomot nagamta jungi ki ST kadai sans nema so nagta ka daw ngila ban apply nadu karta arpho hadu live post nem and salary lane ka jingsiu ya kate ka post ka banukong kata jong ki sub inspector kadai live san hajar sauspa hadu silak khatar hajar sauspa shibanai ini page menta nagabenta ka essential qualification kinde yakito ki candidates Kibala pendep ia ka bachelor degree in science lane BSc with physics, chemistry and mathematics or information technology or computer science, electronics and communication or electronics and instrumentation from a recognized university or institution. Lane ki bachelor degree in computer application from a recognized university or institution. But kumjuru ki balapendep ya ka BE in electronics and communication or instrumentation or computer science or electrical or information technology from a recognized university or institution. But kumjuru yaki associate member of institution of electronics and communication or instrumentation or computer science or electrical or information technology engineers or equivalent from a recognized university or institution. Nakabanta ka post name ka baar or the name of post number 2 head constable telecommunication ka total number of posts hang ka don hadu 383 total number of posts. So for male candidate we have 325 posts and female we have 58 posts. The nakabanta ki on reserve ka don chisma apply schedule kas Sanpo, Schedule Tribe, Arpunriu, OBC, Kandaipo, EWS, Lightly Post. But Nagamtaki female but there Sanpo Pratli Post, Unreserved Arpoar, Schedule Caste, Kandai, Schedule Tribes, San, OBC, Kandriu, EWS, Kadon, Riu Teliki Post. And the age limit for the head constable post between 18 to 25 years. Nadu Prado Arab Sans name, but kandon ru ka apa age relaxation nam ta jungi ki ST kepada san snem kata khatpra hadu lai post name. But ka salary hang ne kandai Arab san hajar san spa shibanai hadu praphuai hajar chispa shibanai. Tikan mau hana ta jungi ki ST khamtam ki bakwa ban apply na kabanta ka post head constable hapo ITBP subha ban apply no shwaban kut kate ka khat sauterik mo wan num ap hadu bangan kut kate namar ba yo ka cyber kan num pediang epi te shwaban kut kate katarik ban nadu mata ba page kan ka video ru apply no te lada pidon ai ban akli ha ka bayade bat kumno bapin apply te subha ban bu yaki comments ki jong pi mo te ngan sapni ye phiru kumno bapin apply na ka yaki te ki post langba ka mobile phones. And essential qualification nakabenta ketika post head constable kan they 10 plus 2 pass with physics, chemistry and mathematics, having an aggregate of 45% marks in physics, chemistry and mathematics from a recognized board or university, or 10 class pass from a recognized board with a year's industrial training institute or ITI certificate in electronics or electrical or computer from a recognized institute. Kibala pendep ya kelas 10 ru kila ban apply. Tang ladai kila don ya kani ka ITI certificate mo te ngakapat ya ki panlog baro ki bape ka video lada pila don ya ka certificate ITI hak bayade bat ka electronics lane electrical bat kumjuru computer sumhaban apply no nagabta kate ka post head constable. And number 3, 10 class pass from a recognized board with science PCM and with 3 years diploma in electronics or communication or instrumentation or computer science or information technology or electrical from a recognized institute. Shushu ngini menta na kabenta ka post name kabalai or post name constable telecommunication. Number of posts we have 51, male 44 posts, female 7 posts. So nakabenta ki males kadon South Teliki post unreserved khatkhandai schedule caste new schedule tribes R OBC khatway EWS kadon Santeliki post nakabenta ki kentei pade kadon new Teliki post jonga constable unreserved lie schedule caste UA schedule tribes 0 OBC UA but EWS new Teliki post but ka age limit nakabenta ka take post constable kan de khatpra do R place name but ka donru ka upper age relaxation kat kum ki rules jong ki category kata ka bomut nakam ta jong ki ST kadon sans name but kumjuru phila ban apply khat pra hadu arpho new arpho pras name khat pra hadu arpho pras name phila ban apply ta ka post constable but ka salary hangne kande arpho 1000 new spa hadu drup khandai 1000 shi spa shibnai. And essential qualification matriculation from recognized board or equivalence yam nakabenta ka take post constable tangki candidates ki bla pass class 10 ru ki la ban apply te wanum I wat nom pensabe ya kate kakabu apply no na kabenta kini ki post ki bangala de ban pensngeu shipi shushu ngan pensngeu bat ngan pen tip shipi kumno pen apply na kumta kate ka post hapo jong ka department jong ka ITBP recruitment jong ka post SI constable head constable vacancies. Interested and eligible candidates may apply online through the ITBP recruitment portal. Thì fill up and apply lang ba ka portal lane ka website jong ka ITBP. Thì nadu khatsan tarik u November aja Arab Sau, hadu khatsau tarik u December aja Arab Sau, kala de ban apply ya ketik post te apply no ko ki parlok barok ki bepe ya kene ka video ke jonga. Thì ban le ya kata sumha ban klik ya ka link ka bangalabu hapo ka description box ke jonga kumno bat sa apply na kumta ketik ke post. Ka direct link an sebu ha ke description box. But kandan ru ka application fee namta ki candidates jong ki badai ki scheduled tribes hangne num don kam ban siu e mo ngan num pule namta ki wei te ngan pule be tang na kumta jong ki scheduled tribes kata don kam ban siu kata ru namta ki kan theru don kam ban siu namta jongi ki shenrang ru don kam ban siu. Titangkom to hi parlok baro hakbede bat kene ka employment news ka badai jong ka ITBP sobha sai sen pan ngagar pa pi lada phi la penbiang lut lane phi la dab lut ikiti qualification wat nom up you know apply no na kamta ka take post bat ru ngagar pa ya ki parlok ki badang dei ki bat ma ya ka video bat channel jonga sobha sai sen pan ngagar pa opin ya share like but subscribe na ka banta ki employment news ki banawan so tangata hi stay safe, God bless you. Kumlay Shubon.